Hi, we are students from Harmony School of Innovation Sugarland, and we are doing our PBL on Influenza STEM SAS Level 2 project. This is a short summary of our project.
The purpose of our project is to show how influenza, the flu, spreads and how it's structured. It also explains on how the flu can spread virally, impacting our lives today through many different factors.
The flu is a contagious respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses that infect the nose, throat, and at times the lungs. A virus is an infectious microbe that consists of a nucleic acid, which is either made by RNA or DNA, that is surrounded by a protein coat. Viruses cannot replicate on their own, but instead make copies of itself.
So here's the cycle of the influenza infecting its host. We created an illustration of the process. So first step in the influenza infection, the virus becomes attached to its target, the epithelial cell. During the second step, this cell is engulfing the virus through a process called endocytosis. Now the viral contents are released. Its RNA enters the nucleus where it replicates by the viral RNA polymerase. Now the viral mRNA is used to make viral proteins. Lastly, viral particles are made and released into the extracellular fluid. The cell is not killed, but now continues to make the virus.
However, there are many ways to prevent influenza from spreading. Things such as keeping your distance from other individuals, covering your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow when you cough or sneeze, stay sanitized, wear masks as viruses are airborne, get vaccines, and more. Here are the parts of a virus. The swirly papers in the center are the nucleoprotein, or RNA. They are responsible for viral transcription and replication. The yellow clay is the lipid envelope. They offer protection for the virus's genetic material when traveling to other host cells. The inner cyan is the capsid. This gives further protection to the nucleic acid when the virus is outside the host cell. The pipe cleaners with buds are the neuraminidase. They release the nascent viral particles assembled in infected cells. The straight pipe cleaners are the hemagglutinin, which are responsible for binding the virus to the cell surface receptors.
The prevention of the spread of influenza greatly influences our country's economic power. The United States funds approximately $200 million for the creation of influenza vaccines.
Thank you for watching Harmony School of Innovation Sugarland.